One day, in a quiet green meadow, a small ant was working while a grasshopper was laughing. But what happened next changed everything forever. In a beautiful green meadow, the summer sun shines brightly over the flowers. Here lives a small, patient ant. Every single day, he works very hard. He carries heavy grains of corn on his back to his home for the winter. Nearby, a careless grasshopper sits on a large leaf, playing his fiddle and singing. "Stop working, ant." The grasshopper laughs. "The weather is so lovely. Come and play." But the ant replies, "I am storing food now for the cold days ahead." The grasshopper just shrugs and continues to dance all through the summer. Suddenly, the seasons change. The green grass turns white with cold, freezing snow. Now, the grasshopper is very hungry and shivering in the biting winter wind. He knocks on the ant's door. "Please help me. I have nothing to eat." The kind ant shares his meal. Next time, you must plan for the future. Remember, hard work today brings safety and happiness tomorrow. Remember this: hard work today brings safety and happiness tomorrow. But tell me, do you think the ant did the right thing by helping the grasshopper?